Karson Brooks, and I'm the creative coordinator here over at Tailwind app. Today, we're going to make a design using one of our templates from our Design Trends 2022 blog. You can find that in the link below if you'd like to check more out after this video. Let's go ahead and dive in. So as you can tell, I already have Tailwind Create out, but in case you're a first-time user or you haven't seen one of the other videos, you can find Create under the home icon to the side of your screen with the little icon that is a paintbrush that says Create. So as you can tell, I've already preloaded in some things just to kind of give us a little bit of a head start. But there's some things that I'm going to have to change too, so let's talk about those. One, I really need to change my fonts. It kind of has some stuff that I've used in the past, so what I'm going to do is utilize some of our font pairings from our Design Trends blog. I'm going to come over here, drop down, and I already know the fonts that I'm looking for, and I can use this nifty search feature over here. So I'm going to start typing it in, and it'll go ahead and start pulling up the font that I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and select, we're going to go with this little bit of a thicker one because it's nice and folky, very organic, which is today's theme. And here's the fun thing about our platform is that if you have already utilized a font, you can find that at the very top with current fonts for easiest selection. All right. Now the next thing I'm going to do, now that I feel satisfied in our font pairings, is I'm actually going to go check out those Design Trend templates. So we're going to go over to Categories, click on Design Trends, and we're going to scroll down to All Organic. What that's going to do is it's going to pull up a category, and it's going to show us the templates that we have in that. And I really love this one over to the far left. And it's got the nice floral frame. It's very simple. If I was somebody who maybe wrote a blog, I would probably choose this one because it makes a really great title card for my blog. And it's very straightforward, and I feel like it'd be very noticeable if I used it on multiple social platforms. The next thing I need to do is change my color palette. So you can do that by coming over here to Color Palettes, dropping that down, and scrolling to All Organic. And as you can tell, we actually have a bunch of other sets available for use as well. And this one of my favorites to use is the Meadow Cottage. It's got nice earthy tones, a little subtle hint of pink, and one of my favorite types of green, which is kind of that like sage, earthy olive green. So we're gonna go ahead and select that. We're gonna shuffle through the color selections. This is one of my favorite parts about seeing how the templates look, is you can change how it looks with the design. So if you click on Shuffle Colors, which is this little color palette down here, it'll show you multiple options. I really love this pink one. We've got a nice brown. To me, that seems the strongest. Feels like it would fit more into the vision that I would have for the post that I'm making. So we're gonna go ahead and select that. And then I'm actually going to change my branding. While I really like having the darker logo because it does fit in more stuff, kind of want it to pop a little bit more. So if you go over to branding, you can either select no branding, website, or brand name, or you can upload multiple logo options through our brand settings. Now, my next move will be seeing the different post types that I have available. I'm going to expand by clicking on post types, and it's going to show me all the different networks that we can use. We have pins, feed posts, and Facebook posts. And what's really cool is you can actually recycle using the story one among several different platforms after downloading the graphic. I'm looking over this. Everything looks really solid, looks great. It's exactly what I need. And so since I feel good with my selection, I'm going to go ahead and click Select All. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull up the shopping cart experience. So I get kind of like a quick preview of all of the designs that I've selected during my working session. And since I don't really have anything that I know is too out there, I'm going to go ahead and review my designs. So what that's going to do is it's going to pull us up into the next screen, which will give us an enlarged version to review what we've made. And this gives you a chance to make sure that if there is something that needed to be edited, you have that opportunity to kind of deselect it or maybe go back into your editing and make changes. And since I'm kind of at a place where I don't really need to do that, at this point I can go ahead and schedule out my posts using the scheduling platform through Tailwind. So there you have it. Definitely give it a shot. Try Create. Who knows what you can make in 6 minutes. Have a great day.